Online courses are becoming more popular than ever. If anything, this business is booming in the e-learning space. But one thing I want to ask you is if you are looking to become a course creator or a coach or having any digital products online where you are going to be teaching your expertise, I want you to ask yourself if you're truly ready for doing this particular type of work. The reason why I want to help you to identify if it's right for you is so that you don't spend so much time doing something that's not a good fit. If anything, I see people change their ideas, careers, and their style in a quick minute because they didn't take time to properly identify if e-learning was even the right fit for them. So today I want to talk all about how to make sure that e-learning and coaching online is the right fit for you before you dive into it. All right, let's go ahead and do this. Corporate Misfits, Brittany Darrington here, and welcome to the Corporate Misfit Club channel, where I help female coaches, course creators, and consultants to build a freedom-bound business, sharing their expertise online and creating automation so that they can build a freedom-bound business. Now, before we dive into today's topic, where we're going to talk all about is e-learning the right type of business for you, I want you to check out the 5 funnels that every course creator needs. If you decide that you want to move forward with building an online course, there's some funnels that will help to create automation in your business and ultimately be able to free you up so that you can do more of what you love and generate some revenue. Okay, let's talk all about if e-learning is the right industry for you to go into. Because a lot of people preach, oh, you can build an online course, create passive income really fast. But I see a lot of one-hit wonders in the online course space. I see people come in, they get really ambitious about building out a course, they maybe make their course, and all of a sudden they don't take a lot of things into consideration. They don't build that passive income and they don't build that business that allows them that full freedom that they are looking for. So I really want to help you identify if e-learning is the right space for you. I will say there's a lot of perks when it comes to e-learning. 1, there is that passive income. 2, you are able to build more of a freedom-bound business after you have built things out, built your audience, and really get things going and you have systems in place to help you do just that. And also the really great thing is you get to help the masses. So you can go beyond your local community or maybe your neighborhood and really start to help people outside of just your local environment. You can help the masses, people around the world. I love being able to see that we have clients all over the world. It's not just here in the United States where I am at, but it's all over. And it's exciting to see people being able to build sales funnels and courses and all that great stuff through our teaching. Now, one thing I have found though is that whenever you are going into the e-learning space, if you're not ready for e-learning, meaning you're looking to coach online through a e-learning platform or build a course or a membership, something more along those lines. If you're not ready for it, then what you're going to do is you're going to create all these different tasks and projects in your business, and you're going to find yourself overwhelmed and not seeing the success and the results that you are looking for. So the first thing that I had to ask myself when I decided to go into e-learning, and I hope that this can help you, is e-learning and teaching something that I'm passionate about? Do I enjoy teaching? Because when you are looking to create an online course, you're going to be teaching your audience how to do something, how to overcome something, how to really bridge the gap. But if you don't enjoy teaching, well, it's gonna come off in your videos. You're gonna find that you creating lessons is not going to flow properly for someone to properly understand and comprehend what is going on. So if you don't enjoy teaching, I want you to take a step back and ask yourself if you should be creating an online course or a membership or a coaching program. If the answer is no, that's perfectly fine, but it's important for us to identify that so that you are not taking so much time to build out a course and that's really not your jam. Okay, so the second question that I had to ask myself was, do I have a proven framework that can truly help my students? It's not just something I come up with, it's not just an idea I have about helping people with the sales funnels. Was it something that worked for me? Was it something that I also helped someone else do, and did they see results and success? And was I able to actually come up with some sort of framework that can help be applied to other people's business? Now, your framework might not reference someone's business or help someone's business. Your framework might help someone with mindset. Your framework might help someone with fitness and health. Your framework might be completely opposite than what my framework helps people to do, which is to help them to grow in the online e-learning space. But do you have a proven framework? And if the answer is no, I want you to take a step back. I want you to identify how you can see success in this area with your own teaching. And then I want you to find somebody who's your ideal client. I want you to do some beta testing with them. I want you to ensure that you have a formula or a framework that actually works. We don't want the blind leading the blind. And when people buy from you, whether it's your course, your membership, or your e-learning, they want somebody who has either walked the walk or has helped others to get results. So we don't want someone just jumping in and saying, hey guys, I am a coach on this, and never seeing results themselves, or trying to teach others how to get success when they haven't seen it themselves. Okay, so the third thing I had to ask myself, do I enjoy recording video or audio? Now, I know this is a silly question. For me, I truly enjoy making videos. That's why I'm on YouTube. That's why I love to make video content. I enjoy making videos. I also enjoy doing PowerPoint slide presentations. I enjoy audio through podcasts and all of that good stuff. So for me, that's something I truly love. But I find that there's a lot of people who want to go into the e-learning space, but they don't want to make a video. They don't necessarily want to do PowerPoint slides and record with a voiceover. They don't enjoy making podcasts or audio form, which requires them to use their voice. Instead, they're really honing in on how can I outsource this to someone else. Now, there's nothing wrong with outsourcing videos or creating audio content to someone else, but I do want you to know, if you're not comfortable with going with this route, I want you to think about what could be a better fit for you. Is creating some sort of ebook or another digital type of product better for you versus creating online courses or coaching programs or memberships? I want you to be really upfront with yourself, because this will help you to identify what type of business you are going to create, rather than just trying to mimic and do what you see so many other people do. Just because you hear courses are really profitable for the people who do succeed with them doesn't mean that you're going to, and it doesn't mean that you should have to go that route just because you see other people succeed. Let's do what works best for you. Okay, the last question I had to ask myself, do I truly enjoy the topic that I am talking about? So let me just tell you a quick story. Someone recently was talking to me about sales funnels. They were asking me what a sales funnel is and how can it work in a service-based business, and how can I help them to be able to apply maybe stuff that I know online in digital marketing. How can I help them to apply that into an actual service-based business? Now, I totally geeked out. I spent like a whole hour talking about funnels, value ladders, really breaking down the process, and this is just like a casual conversation. And this person told me, wow, you light up when you talk about this topic. You just have this aura where everything gets excited. You start breaking things down. You start asking questions. You start doing these things that really show how passionate you are about this topic. Now, if you are not passionate about a topic that you are looking to focus on in the e-learning space, it will show. I promise you, if you don't really enjoy talking about fitness or relationships or finance or whatever topic you were focusing on in your business, I promise you, your audience will see right through it. So if you're not passionate about it, let's take a step back. Let's identify what you are passionate about. What can you really hone in on where you will do it, even if you don't make $1 from it, but you will do it with passion, with excitement, and so much more. Because I promise you, when you can present and you can talk about the topic that you love and enjoy, and you have strategies and proven methods in, your audience will be able to feel that energy. They'll be able to get excited as well. They'll want to get to the finish line. They'll want to get those results. You'll even be pushing them along the way. And I promise you, you will see the success start to trickle into your business in your e-learning space. So there you have it, corporate misfits. Is e-learning the right fit for you? And I really want you to dig down deep and ask yourself if it is, because I don't want you to waste time trying to build a course, a membership, a coaching program, or any other digital product that might not be the right fit for you. I'd rather you identify that now, because I have spent so much time building the business and the systems that I'm in today, and I'm grateful that I have. But if I wasn't passionate about it, if I really didn't enjoy what I was focused on, and if I really didn't want to do a lot of the different things that are required in the e-learning space to be able to build a profitable and successful business, then I wouldn't have reached some of the goals and milestones that I have reached in my business. So, Corporate Misfits, are you ready to become a course creator or a coach? And if so, go ahead and take that next step. And if not, go ahead and identify what will work best for you. Okay, Corporate Misfits, I'll see you in the next video. Hey there, Corporate Misfits. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. Go ahead and hit subscribe so you can be notified of some of our upcoming videos.